Welcome, now I'm going to show you how to manage sleep mode on your Brother MFC printer. Firstly, you should open empty web server, then click General and find here Sleep Time. And here enable, choose your sleep time amount, for example 12 minutes, and after 12 click Submit. And cool, after 12 minutes my device will go into sleep. When device is in sleep mode and you, for example, want to print something, you can send the job to the printer. It will automatically wake up and print your document. If your device is disabled, it can't wake up from disabled to enable mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.